Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tom Olson. The name of the show is Olson on Law, every Saturday at 11 a.m. right here on News 96.5. I'd like to introduce you to attorney Charlie Price from the Price Law Firm in Orlando. He specializes in tax resolution and debt forgiveness. Hey, Charlie, welcome to the show.
Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Chris. How are you?
We're doing fantastic. Thank you. Now, Charlie, I had a caller that she had gotten a letter out of the blue in the mail from the IRS. The IRS telling her that she owes back taxes. I can just imagine the fear that that would put into somebody. And, of course, her caller me was wondering, Tom, should I even dare to talk to the IRS by myself, or do I need an attorney like Charlie Price to talk to them on my behalf? What are your thoughts on that?
You know, Tom, probably the biggest fear that people have when they have IRS problems is communicating with the IRS, be it by, letter or talking to them on the phone. And even worse is actually sitting down with them or having them come and do an audit in their house or their business. But what most people don't know is that once you retain an attorney to help you, and for instance, I have a power of attorney to represent them before the IRS, they never have to talk to the IRS again. They don't have to talk to them in person, on the phone, by letter. Even in an audit, I can handle on their behalf. They don't have to go to the house. They have to go to the business. And it's a wonderful thing for them because they don't have to worry about it. But I also don't want them talking to the IRS either, because people tend to ramble when they get nervous, and they say things they shouldn't say. You know, maybe the IRS is investigating one thing, and they tell them something else, and before you know it, we have a bigger problem. So I'm always thrilled to have them not talk to the IRS, and they're thrilled to not have to talk to the IRS. But the key is retaining an attorney who can have a power of attorney to do it.
And, Charlie, just out of curiosity, if the IRS is going to get involved with somebody's taxes, would typically it start by letter writing, or does typically it start by phone calls with the IRS?
It's always by letter. The IRS is very predictable. There's a series of collection letters that they send out. So if the first contact that you get from the IRS apparently is by phone, it's a scam. So never talk to the IRS by phone if that's the first communication you've ever received from them, because they'll never do it that way. It's always by letter.
All right. Hey, Charlie, I know you wrote a great book. The name of the book is I Can't Pay the IRS, Now What? The Ultimate Insider's Guide to Solving Your Tax Problems Once and for All. And I know when you come on the air with me, you make a great deal for our listeners. What is that deal?
I do, and because I really appreciate it, I want people to have this information. They can get it for free, and there's really two ways to get it. One is they can go to www.theirsbook.com. They can download it and also request a free copy by mail, so a hard copy, which we'll send to them, or they can download my app, which is IRS Attorney. It's available for all types of phones, so just go to the store, get IRS Attorney or the IRS book, and you can get the download immediately, and we'll send you the hard copy as well.
Thank you, Charlie. We appreciate it. That has been attorney Charlie Price from the Price Law Firm in Orlando. He specializes in tax resolution and debt problems, and we appreciate him coming on the air with us. Hey, folks, my name is Tom Olson. The name of the show is Olson on Law.